This is an update video to my flooded basement video. It's drying up pretty nicely. This is the next day. We only have some water on the cracks, as you can see. Some water back there. So it's drying up. All this, it was flooded complete. There it goes. Sump pump. Except, oh wait, it went off automatically. I wonder why. It went off automatically. I thought this sump pump did not work. No, it does, because I got a new awesome sump pump. Hang on, nope, that's not my language. Here we go. It's a 1 horsepower Flow-Tech professional sump pump. Yeah, it's amazing. It works so well, and my dad and I, we installed it yesterday, and it's been cleaning up pretty nicely. It's really heavy. It has a high water alarm. It's right down there. And it works. It's amazing. Yeah, basement's pretty dry. No water backing up or anything. This thing is full, I think. Yeah, it's full. We have some water back there. Not too bad. It's drying up here. And water here. It's okay. Let's see how it's going to dry up in probably the next few days. Yeah. The pump that I used back. Yeah, it's working pretty nice. Going very nice. And that suction noise you got at the end of the sump pump, that's due to the fact that so much water coming out of it, and also it's the float switch is actually it's not really a float. I don't know if it's gonna go off soon. Hope it does. We'll wait for it to go off. Probably scare me, but I'm gonna back up. I don't wanna get freaked out because we haven't had a walking sump in over 5 years. Finally got one yesterday. There it goes. Well, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please maybe watch my other videos and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.